Quant is about to test a major support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another quant analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in a free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, yesterday we mentioned the fact that if quant breaks its support level right around here at 171, we definitely will be testing the lows around the 160 mark. You can see that is exactly how we played out. We actually saw the retest confirmation right over here with this candlestick, and then the confirmation to the downside. Now, currently quant is testing that support level once more. Now, there is something to keep in mind. This would become the third test opportunity, and you guys know on the third test you would probably see that move to the downside, right? The overall level that still has to be tested is 154, and you guys know pretty much this whole way up I was mentioning the fact that the 154 level has not been tested yet. We have to keep in mind and respect the fact that you can see here we had multiple tests on this resistance level, and then we saw the breakout formation, but we didn't quite see that same test on that support level. We got pretty close to that level around the 160 mark, but then we got a complete fake out situation, continued to break above, saw that pullback opportunity, and this was the opportunity for the bulls to actually try to take control of this resistance, but we saw two failure patterns and that confirmation back down. Now, of course, it looks like the bears are definitely in control, and it would put our RSI over at the oversold level once we break or at least test the 154 mark. Looking at the overall picture though on quant, you can see that if we were to break that level, we possibly might actually hit that 154 and possibly break down to 140, because of the fact that that's pretty much where the move started. You can see that also acted as an area of resistance right over here. We saw multiple wicks and then acted as an area of support before we saw the final move. So that's definitely something to keep in mind. I'll go ahead and draw a line here for you guys just so you guys can kind of see what I'm saying, just so we understand. It's around the 144, 145 mark, but the reason why I drew it there is because of the fact you can see from the resistance, we had multiple tests at this level for some reason, and then we had the move upside, right? So I went ahead and drew that for you guys just to kind of have a perspective of exactly where the next levels might be. But of course, right now on quant on the 4 hour, we are trading below the exponential moving averages, and now we should see a small bounce. Again, it will probably be a small pullback opportunity right into that resistance line, and then right back down to possibly breaking the 154 and retesting the 144 as well. Now over here on the lower time frames, you can see that we are starting to see that small little pullback situation already happen. We are testing this support level nicely here at the 163 with multiple wicks, and of course from the bullish case scenario, if we were to see a move possibly breaking above, we would have to get above this level here at 177 again before we see the larger move set to the upside, right? Anything below that level, specifically here the 173 to 175, is pretty bearish because of the fact that you can see that we were acting as a very strong support level on the hourlies over here, saw that confirmation break, and then the continuation to the downside, right? That's why we have to be very, very careful before we enter those long positions, because of the fact that if we see that support level being tested, moreover, that chance of it breaking is a lot less likely, right? So right now, the overall level we're still eyeing is a 154, but guys, remember, do not enter the position until you get that confirmation. If we see that bounce on the support 3 wicks, then we enter the long position. But if we do see a bounce and then another drop, you don't want to get caught on that second drop. So just keep that in mind when you are trading. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in a free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. And I hope you guys have.